You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this mythological character and medieval Irish legend, a king of Ireland. If you want to learn more Irish names vocabulary, stay tuned. Láithreadh, how to pronounce Láithreadh Loingseach, how to pronounce in the Irish pronunciation, Láithreadh Loingseach. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.